Today, if you really go and see minutely, it is the larger portion is the minorities. Both the Muslims and the Catholics are turning out in large numbers, with a very good indication that Congress stands a very good chance just because the minorities are coming out. And I strongly appeal to the others who have still not come out, especially the minorities, please come out and vote. This does not mean the majority community is not in favor of the Congress. Majority community is also in favor of the Congress, and we would again appeal to the majority community also to come and please vote for the Congress so that Congress becomes strong and we get a big sizable vote.
आता आप बसला ते रिवर्स कांय करपाक शकना सगळे चितूनच ते बसला आमी आप आसले म्हूण आमी ही स्ट्रॅटेजी केली ती स्ट्रॅटेजी केल्ली अशी ना पूण आप इज डेफिनेटली अ फॅक्टर एंड इट विल कंट्रिब्यूट टू अ हायर मार्जिन एज फार एज वी आर कन्सर्न
आप कोणाक एफेक्ट करतलो
हां
आप कोणाक एफेक्ट करतलो
आप डेफिनेटली इट विल नॉट एफेक्ट अस तितले तरी हांव जाणा